Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. I decided that since I'm out of my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I'd go and I'd try something new. Okay, I've been wanting to try out the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, so I went to Target and I got them. You're probably like, if you needed one, why did you get two? I got two because they were buy one get one 50% off, and they have two different formulas. They've got the dewy or the matte one and the dewy one. And also I wasn't sure what shade I needed, so I figured I'd try a couple different ones. I think today for the video I am going to try the dewy foundation just because it is a newer formula, so that's exciting. But I've seen a lot of people really talk about how great this foundation is, so I'm excited to try it out. So like I said, I'm going to be using the dewy one today. Sorry, I don't know why I said that so weirdly. I did get soft beige, so this probably, I went with the dewy one for summer just because I feel like a dewy foundation is more natural and it's gonna look better in the summer. So it is, oh, I forgot. It's a little spatula. So it is a little bit darker, probably on the dark side, but I don't care. I like a little color in my face, I guess. Okay. Yeah, see you guys, it's not that bad on. See? But yeah, definitely probably is more of a summer color for me. I think I'm gonna keep it on just for today because I like it. But yeah, maybe it's like one shade too dark. I'm not gonna argue about that. But it could be a lot worse. I like it. I probably would get this in the matte too. So, ooh. Okay. I think we're gonna change atmosphere here. Hold on. I just realized I forgot to put on primer again. You guys have to bear with me for the light. I don't have anywhere to plug in my ring light. Ooh, I just got an idea, sorry. Never mind, it's gonna take too long to do, and I forgot I'm on a time crunch again today. So yeah, sorry guys, just hit the camera on my phone with my mirror. I do like this foundation. Like I said, maybe it is like one shade too dark, but I think that works, and it's gonna be great. We're going into summer. It's not gonna be that big of a deal. I guarantee you by the middle of summer, it's going to be too light. So that's the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. That's just one coat. It is a nice medium coverage. I think I'm gonna go in with one more coat though, just to top it off. And I don't know if you saw that, but that is foundation in my hair. Great. Okay. I'm obsessed with this foundation. It's only been one day. I'm really mad at myself for not using primer because now I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I think it looks super nice on, and you can't even tell that it's maybe a shade too dark. So I'm obsessed with this. I don't even want to put on my concealer, but we are. I'm just using my Morphe one that I got in my Ipsy bag. Freaking concealer costs more than my foundation. Both combined. That was just for today. I'm gonna do just another small layer of concealer. Please don't judge me for my bad accents. I don't know why I'm doing them either. All right, look it. Now we look nice and awake and not like a walking dead zombie. Well, I might still look like a zombie, but whatever. At least we look like an awake zombie. I mean, you guys should see how I'm sitting in my room right now. It's quite funny. Also, while I was at Target, I got the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine and Define pencil crown. And this is just like another thing I see a ton of people talk about. They say the spoolie is great for kind of brushing out your eyebrows, and it's got an awesome little fine tip. It actually, this reminds me of my Mary Kay one that I have. So I wanted to try it out. Except the Mary Kay one I have doesn't have the spoolie at the end. Sorry, I keep hitting it. We got the brows done. They're dark, they're thick. I'm glad I went with the honey brown color. I probably should have gone with soft blonde. That's the shade I use basically for Mary Kay. It's just blonde. And it's just nice. It's not, it doesn't make them as dark as they are now, but whatever. It is what it is. I got dark brows. Deal with it. Now we are going to go in. I think I'm going to do just a little bit of eyeliner or eyeshadow today. So I'm going to go in and put this Morphe eyelid primer on. Then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm going for a more neutral look today, so I'm going to take the color HOE. That's literally what it's called. Don't come at me, I'm not trying to be censored. See? So y'all should know I don't care at this point. And I'm gonna just put her all over my lid. Alright, this is what my eyes look like with the eyeshadow. Boop. Alright. I'd have to say, I did have to really build it up, but it came out nice and soft just the way I want to, and it didn't take a whole lot of blending because of that, so that's nice. That's nice. Now, okay, I'm actually gonna go in. I finally got my Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner from Ipsy. They sent me the new one, and I got it within the past couple days, so I'm excited to try this out. So I do have to say, I really like this eyeliner. I think it was super easy to apply. It is super pigmented, didn't smudge yet. So I'm excited to see how long this thing actually lasts. And if it's actually worth the hype. Ipsy might have actually been right with that. And then now to finish off the look, I'm gonna go in with lashes. I stole my mom's Bare Minerals Love Every Lash. It's a micro-defining mascara. I got it for her for Valentine's Day from Ross. It was like literally only $5 there. And I used it the other day after I asked her because I was like, ooh, how does that work? And she said it was good. So I was like, can I try it out? And she's like, sure. And now I want to steal it from her. I did turn around and buy myself a different Bare Minerals mascara. I think I used it on here, I don't know. And it's in like a bright pink tube. And I do not like that one as much as this. So I'm going to try to see if I can find one for myself. Definitely recommend it. Don't know how much it is normally, but I will look into it. If I remember, I will tell you. But this has a really cool brush, and I have short lashes and I have small lashes. It works great for underneath my eye, and it also does a great job at separating all of the lashes up top too. Hence the micro defining aspect of it. Oh, I thought I stopped recording this, but I didn't. So yeah, I had a phone call, so like I was saying, I topped it off with my Bobbi Brown highlight and my Kat Von D lip gloss, lipstick, matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, whatever the heck it is. Yeah, I see it. It's nice and bright. And then I topped everything off with my True Cream, or is that what this is? The Cream Shop and Hello Kitty setting and priming spray. That is actually really good. I'm hoping that's something you could get year-round because, like I said, I got it off of the clearance section in Ulta, and it was only like $3.50. and it's been worth it so far. It's great priming spray. I've been using it as my primer lately, and it's also a really good setting spray. So I highly recommend it. And I definitely am gonna check out more of their products now just from buying this. So they got me hooked. So thanks for tuning into my video today, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me while I tried out the new Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy Foundation, and also my Tarte eyeliner that I was supposed to get in my Ipsy bag, but it was all messed up. I definitely really like it, and I hope this sample lasts a long time because I think it's gonna be my new favorite eyeliner. That's for sure. I actually did want to refilm the end of this, so I changed my lipstick. Obviously, it's not bright pink anymore. It's like a nice orangey color. It's from ColourPop. It's the Blur Luxe one that I featured in my trying on all my lipsticks video. I just felt like I wanted to wear this camo jacket, and I felt like this color kind of fit that vibe more than like bright ass Barbie pink. So yeah, thanks for watching my video today, guys. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Tomorrow I am planning on trying out the matte version of this Photofocus by Wet n Wild foundation. Tomorrow I'm gonna be trying out the matte version of the Photofocus foundation by Wet n Wild, so if that's what you wanna see, you'll definitely have to tune in for that tomorrow. Bye!